Good Tuesday morning. I'm Annika Abbott in the First Alert Weather Center with a look at your forecast, and we are experiencing some very strong winds today, due in part to a couple of things. We had an upper low that was to the south of us that's moved further to the southwest here. That set us up with some offshore flow. Additionally, we have this upper low that's moving from Nevada over Point Conception today, and that's really giving us a lot of cold air advection. That's spurring on those really high winds in combination together. We're also looking at a bit more cloud cover in the picture because of that. Going into tomorrow, these winds are continuing on, but a little bit less so as this upper low moves further southward here. And we are looking at a little bit of warming because we don't have as much cold air advection. Going into Thursday, though, conditions are calmer with this nice pop-up ridge, also sunnier, so that's the good news. We are cooling back down a little bit, though, with this nice sea breeze and a bit of reduced compression with that heat. Now, we are looking at those winds really strong throughout the entire day. You can see lots of red on our screen. This is a look at tonight, so you can see across the entire region you are affected by this wind event. Tonight is when it picks up on that south coast and in the San Ynez range. San Luis Obispo County, you're also looking at quite a bit of wind today, and of course Ventura County, those Santa Anas are strongest where you are. Now, looking further overnight into tomorrow, that's when those winds are pulling back a little bit, but you can see by mid-morning picking up again really strong there from Santa Maria all the way into San Luis Obispo, and as well in Ventura County, those wind speeds upwards of 30 miles per hour, even 40 miles per hour in some areas. Then Wednesday night into Thursday, that's when we really start to see the calm here. So that's what we're looking forward to, is this Thursday morning when conditions are a lot more normal and safe. We do have a high wind warning in effect in the Santa Barbara and San Luis Obispo County mountains, as well as all of Ventura County. We also have advisories on that central coast and in the valleys. So we are looking at this wind continuing on, this advisory expiring Wednesday morning, but I would bet that this will be extended given that those wind speeds are continuing on by mid-morning Wednesday as well. This is also lowering our relative humidity to the teens, so we do have a red flag warning in effect for pretty much everywhere except for that south coast. You are expecting this to last at least until tonight, possibly into tomorrow morning as well. Now, there's a high surf advisory. This is stubbornly continuing on across all coastlines today, especially affecting those west-facing beaches, and we are looking at that expiring tonight. Our forecast temperatures are very pleasant, though, despite all that wind. 74 degrees in Santa Barbara. Over Point Conception, looking to be mainly in the 70s as well. In Luis Obispo County, if you're inland, you're a bit cooler. You're mainly going to be in the mid-60s. That coastline right around 70, and then San Luis Obispo 74 degrees. Ventura, with all that wind, you're about 70 today, a little bit higher there as you get further down the coastline and into El Rio. Camarillo about 71 degrees today. So everyone stay safe with all of that wind and have a very happy Tuesday.